Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. And today in this video, we are going to learn how you can connect Stoxxo with your RMoney Demat account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open RMoney's website and then go to Resource and click on Marketplace. Here you will see a list of all the platforms which are integrated with RMoney and from which you have to select Stoxxo. Click on View More and download the software. Once the file is downloaded, you have to install the software in your system. Click on this checkbox. Now install it. So after the successful installation, you have to create new account in order to begin with Stoxxo. So click on create account and here you have to fill the required information such as your user ID, name and so on. So let's get started. In user ID, you can have a unique user ID just like your net banking ID or any other platform. Then enter your name. Here you have to enter your email address. Now enter your mobile number. Enter a password of your choice. Confirm a new password and make sure both the password are same, otherwise it will give you an error. Now enter your city and select the state. And in the broker field, select RMoney. If you have any referral code, you can enter that too here. If you don't, then you can just leave it blank. Now mark this checkbox and click on register. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So after entering the OTP, there is a message which you can check that user is registered successfully and you will get 12 days demo on this ID as well. So simply click on yes. And now you have to log in with the ID and password you just created. So once you successfully log in into Stoxxo, you'll get a simulator like this and you will be required to add RMoney as your broker. So click on user setting and click on add new. So in user alias, enter a name. In user ID, enter RMoney's client ID. Enter RMoney as your broker. Now pay attention to this part. Here you have to enter your interactive API and market data API together using a semicolon. And like in this field, you'll be having your XTS API. So here you have to enter them both together. If you want to know how you can access RMoney XTS API, we have created a separate video for that. The link is in the description. So once you enter the API successfully, you'll receive a notification that your account is successfully mapped. So in order to begin with live trading, you need to make sure that in this trading mode option, you have to click on live and then click on start trading. So once you click on it, you'll see that market data would be updating and now you can create strategy using Stoxxo. Please do comment down below or you can also give a suggestion on which topic you want our next video on. Until then, happy trading. Bye-bye.